Okay, Evan with the Happy Bee Honey Club. We're doing a trap out tonight. Trap out is when we want to remove the bees from somewhere where we can't open up the wall to get to the colony. So we have to trap them out of there, leaving their comb and stuff behind. We have to convince them to come out and get into our hive. So here's how we're going to do it. We've got the bottom of the beehive here, and we've got this cone that we've made out of hardware cloth that we're going to use. Now the bees are coming out of a dryer vent out of the wall in this case. So we've got this number 8 hardware cloth that we've made into this cone. The idea here is this cone will go onto the dryer vent. The bees, as they come out, are going to have to go through our screen cone to get out. Once they do, because of the distance from the original hive and because of the size, they cannot get back in. So once they come out, they're out. They can't go back in. Then this cone that we attach to the dryer vent coming out of the wall is into the bottom of a standard beehive. So the bees will come out. When they come out the other end, they're going to be in our beehive. So we've got a standard hive that we're going to set on top of this bottom. The standard top. Now what we're going to do is, before we set it in place, we're going to cut a hole here for the entrance and exit. This is what the bees will use for their entrance and exit to the hive. So they'll come out of the wall, come up through our beehive that we have full of some stinky bee frames. And so we've got some old frames in here, some old comb. As the bees come in and come up through here, they'll realize this is a beehive, and hopefully they'll make this their new home. The exit and entrance will be over here, as far away as we can from their original exit, and we will start to check this every week. And when the bees leave the wall and none return, more bees will come out to see what's going on, search for, foraging. So as more and more bees come out, eventually they'll realize that something's wrong. They'll all come out, and the queen, they'll realize that the rest of the family's in this box and stay there. So hopefully in a couple of weeks, when we check it, what we're looking for is to see that there's eggs and larvae in here, and that the queen has moved out of the wall into our box. At that point, we'll come at night, we'll close the entrance down, remove this from the box, tape this off, transport this to the bee yard, and that's how it goes.